Hey everyone, and welcome back to Top Budget Picks. So, you've decided to up your kitchen game and get a digital scale. Amazing choice! But before you just click Add to Cart on the first one you see, there are a few things you need to know. Buying the wrong scale can lead to recipe disasters, wasted money, and a whole lot of frustration.
Let's start with the basics. First up, capacity and increments. Think about what you'll weigh. Are you making huge batches of bread? You'll need a high capacity, like 5 kilograms or 11 pounds. But for things like yeast or salt, you need precision. Look for a scale that measures in small increments, ideally 0.1 grams or 0.01 ounces.
This is non-negotiable. Accuracy. A scale that's off by even a few grams can ruin your baking. Look for reviews that mention consistency and accuracy. Some higher-end scales even come with their own calibration weight. Trust me, in baking, close enough is not good enough.
Don't forget about the platform size. A tiny platform might be fine for spices, but try balancing a large dinner plate or a big mixing bowl on it, and you're in for a wobbly, nerve-wracking experience. Make sure the platform is large enough and stable enough for your most used bowls and plates. How does it power up? Battery-powered scales are common, usually using button cells or AAA batteries. But more and more scales are coming with rechargeable batteries, often via USB-C. Think about what's more convenient for you, always having batteries on hand or just plugging it in every few months. This is a feature you will use constantly, the tare function. This button resets the scale to 0, even with a container on it, so you can weigh your flour directly in your bowl, hit tare, then add your sugar, hit tare again, and so on. It's a massive time saver and eliminates dirtying a million little cups. Check the units. Most scales measure in grams and ounces, but some also offer pounds and ounces and even milliliters for liquids. If you follow international recipes or specific diet plans, easy unit switching is a lifesaver. Make sure it has the units you need. You will make a mess. It's a fact of kitchen life, so think about cleanability. Scales with a million seams, buttons, and grooves are a nightmare to clean. A sleek, minimalist design with a smooth surface and a removable platform? Now that wipes clean in seconds. Your future self will thank you. Can you actually read the numbers? Look for a large, backlit LCD display. There's nothing worse than trying to read tiny, dim numbers when your hands are covered in flour or when you're weighing something in a dimly lit kitchen. A good display is a huge quality of life feature. Consider the design and portability. If you have limited counter space, a slim, lightweight design is key. Some scales are so thin you can store them in a drawer or even take them with you when you travel. A bulky, heavy scale might be sturdy, but it's not exactly versatile. You get what you pay for. A scale made from flimsy plastic might not last long. Look for builds with tempered glass or stainless steel platforms and a solid, non-slip base. It might cost a few dollars more, but it won't break or become inaccurate from a small bump. Now, for the bonus features. Some scales come with a built-in timer, super handy. Others have a negative weight function for easy portioning. Auto off is great for saving battery, but make sure the timeout isn't too short, or it'll turn off while you're measuring slowly. These aren't essential, but they're nice perks. Finally, the big one, price and reviews. You don't always need to spend a fortune to get a great scale. Set a budget, but read the reviews meticulously. Look for consistent comments on accuracy, durability, and ease of use. Often, a mid-range scale with thousands of great reviews is a safer bet than a no-name super cheap one. So, there you have it. 13 things to consider before buying your digital kitchen scale. It all boils down to knowing how you cook and bake. Think about capacity, precision, platform size, and of course, your budget. A good scale isn't an expense, it's an investment in better, more consistent results in the kitchen.